Okay, folks, welcome back to the Playing Hard YouTube channel. I'm going to do this as a two-part series. How to replace the fire bricks in your Harman Mark III stove. Got a pretty good light in there, you can see. I've broken a lot of these bricks in the back, and you learn from experience. I went 27 years without breaking a brick in this stove. And last year I started burning wood and I ended up breaking almost all of them because I was tossing the wood in and it would hit the brick in the back and it was cracking them. So before we get going on this, I'd like to suggest that you take pictures of the back of the stove, especially like in the corners, so that you can see that these bricks here overlap the back. So this is like a jigsaw puzzle. You have to learn how to take it apart and how to reassemble it. Now, come on the outside here and you can see this bolt. This bolt has to come out. Once you take this bolt out, this piece of angle iron comes with it, and then you can get at the front bricks. The front bricks have to come out first, then the side bricks. You slide them until they clear the angle here. Get the side bricks out, and then you can remove the back bricks. So, all right, let's get started here. I think we got a pretty good lighting. So I'll do this first. Then the next video, I'll show you the empty stove all vacuumed out and the reinstallation of the new bricks. Okay, so if you like this, do the like and subscribe thing and hit that little bell notification and we'll get you in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.